Let's begin. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to continue with our chapter Scratch, and we are going to start with our chapter today, making a variable. Today we'll be learning how to make a variable. While playing games, you must have observed that the score of the player is increasing or the timer of the game is getting decreased continuously, and the game gets over when the value of the timer becomes zeros. To store these values, the variable are used in Scratch. Okay, what you see that there are two things which are continuously increasing or decreasing in the game, like your points are increasing and your time is decreasing, but for that you need something which should be changing continuously. आपको एक ऐसी चीज की जरूरत होती है जो continuously change हो. Okay, for that there is a variable. आप कभी भी, आप in future भी कभी higher classes में भी जब programming पढ़ोगे तो उसमें वेरिएबल एक ऐसी चीज होती है जो हमेशा चेंज होती है. व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? इट इज अ थिंग व्हिच कैन बी चेंज्ड इन द प्रोग्राम. ओके, सो what is it? That a variable is a placeholder in a Scratch memory that is used to store a changing value. Okay, what is it? A variable is a placeholder. वो एक placeholder होता है, means वो एक variable, एक place को store करता है जहाँ पे आप एक value डालते हो जो कि continuously change हो सकती है. Variable can hold one value at a time. ये कितनी वैल्यू होल्ड कर सकता है? ये सिर्फ एक वैल्यू होल्ड कर सकता है एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर. It need to be changed at the different times. Okay, these values can be either numbers or strings, means this value can be either numbers or you can use alphabets also. String means text part, that is alphabet. In Scratch, data block is used to create variables in a project. Variables are represented by a block shaped and elongated circle, uniquely labeled by the user. Let us observe the complete process of creating a variable. What is it? Okay, let's see. In the data block palette, click on the make a variable block. The new variable block appears. Okay, what will happen? You have to click on the data block palette. After that, there would be an option make a variable. You have to click on make a variable. Then new variable box will appear. Okay, see, this type of a new box variable will appear where you have to write the name of the variable. Okay, then it will ask you for which sprite is used. Then you have to check it and it would be done. You have to click on OK and your variable would be done. Either click on OK or either you can click on the enter also. So this is a very small process to create a variable. You can do it easily. Okay, let's come to the next. What is it? Now see, the variable is connected. So the notes are very important. Please try to read these notes properly. When a word is saved in a variable, it is called a string variable. See, word means when you write something in an alphabetical form, it is called string. And when you are typing some numbers, it is called numerical. Okay, the join hello word block concatenates or joins the string together and displays the result. For example, if hello and world are put in a block, it will display hello world. This is a round block and can be easily placed over the value box of any other block. For example, is this applying a reasoning to make decision. Okay, everyone makes a decision in their class in daily life. Okay, you make a decision. I am making a decision that today I'll show you a video. This is my decision. You all decided that today you are going to watch the video which ma'am is going to show. So this is your decision. Either there would be some problem. Oh my God, I have not brought my notebook. What I have to do? You will give it to me. I'll give my decision on it. Okay. So decision is something which we are doing. Okay. But in programming, there are some other kind of a decision, like we can quickly solve the equations. Like if somebody will say 20 plus 20, how much it is, you will exactly say, you will not use any calculator, you will not use anything else, and you will directly say, ma'am, it is 40. Okay, I'll say 8 8s are how much, then you will tell the answer accurately. But when there would be a long equation like this, you need a pen and a pencil to solve it. Okay, so for solving it, you must be knowing a proper way. Like you all have studied about the BODMAS also, that it is having a rule that first the bracket should be solved, then this way should be solved. So this is the way which you are following. Okay, so it is telling us the sequence, that what the sequence it follows. Okay, let's see the sequence it follows. Like we are having our indoor activities, days are there, they have arranged each and everything. Okay, you have to select it and it will be telling you, like you were doing it earlier when you were coming to the school, you were having many kind of activities, like yoga was there, your skating was there, your karate was there, and you were deciding among what you wanted to do. Okay, so these answers are in yes or no options. Now let us look at the shapes. You can use the shapes also. Sometimes there are questions like triangle, rectangle, then your uh, pentagon is there, then you will be deciding that what is the next shape. Okay, so these type of your questions are there. You can animate it in your scratch also. You can identify what is your goal, what is your information, means what should be the sequence you want to apply. Okay, these are the all things which you can decide, and you all have to answer it at the sudden moment. Okay, you can solve the reasoning question also. Now we would be studying about applying condition in the programming. How you would be applying condition in the programming. A condition is applied to put a check in a problem. It allows the program to select an action based upon the user's input. Okay, it is completely your input. Like when you were used to play the game in the Tata classes, what happens? If you will say the correct answer, then it would be a sixer. If you will take more time and it is a correct answer, then it would be a 4. If you have given the wrong answer, then you are out. ओके, सो द प्रोग्राम विल वेट, वो वेट करेगा कि आप पहले आंसर दो। जब आप आंसर दोगे और आपने बहुत कम टाइम में दे दिया तो वो गोल कर देगा और वो आपको मार्क्स देगा पूरे। लेकिन आपने थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम ले लिया और आपने आंसर करेक्ट दिया तो वो आपको थोड़े कम मार्क्स देगा। देन व्हाट वुड हैपन इफ यू हैव गिवन द रॉन्ग आंसर, तो आप आउट हो जाओगे। दैट इज द रूल। सो दिस इज द प्रोग्रामिंग विल वेट कि व्हाट यू वांट टू डू in the condition. If this happened, what will happen? If you have not brought the notebook, how you will do the work? So this is all the things which you need to think about it. Okay, this is all you can do in the programming, and these all are having a proper words. You don't need to write anything, you have to just select from your dialog box. You need to just select it from your dialog box. It is not required, just a dialog box is okay. So now I will unmute you all and you all can ask your queries one by one.